Hi there, it's Tony here, and I got Jono's Insane Bonus Bundle, and I'm doing a review on badass bonuses. Alright, copy and paste push button system makes us over $882 in affiliate commissions every day, working no more than 30 minutes. So what is badass bonuses all about? Badass Bonuses is a collection of over 80 of our done-for-you bonuses with full rights that you can use in your affiliate promotions or list building to 10 times your conversion and results. Badass Bonuses includes high-quality 2021 full-blown courses by super affiliates, tutorials, software and templates created by experts and top marketers for beginners to start their affiliate marketing business, and experienced marketers to scale their existing business. Together they are worth well over $7,760. Prices and upsells. Front end badass bonus $16.97. Might as well say $17. Access the powerful badass bonuses, software and training modules. Order bump VIP support $6.97. Get the support you need right at the time you desperately need it. Direct access to the badass VIP support team where you're guaranteed to get fast and efficient support. Upsell number 1, advanced training make people salivate over your promotions. $47, downsell $37. These affiliate strategies are the ones we go to every single time we want to crush any affiliate promotion and win the affiliate contest. Includes 8 video walkthroughs that show you our best strategies for you to copy what we're doing. But I got a lesson for you. The copy my which is from Sam Ovens, who's a millionaire online. He owns consulting.com. He says this. This is what he says. Copycats get nothing. Innovators get everything. Upsell number 2. Get multiple 100% profit streams. $97, $67 downsell. Badass bonuses. Mave and Exena reseller rights and commissions throughout the entire funnel. So there you go, you got that. Upsell number 3, get more money without busting your ass. $37, $27 downsell. 2 simple tweaks. Continue to transform affiliate campaign results without any heavy lifting or extra work. Upsell number 4, smoke your competitors with these free traffic hacks. $67, $47 downsell. Leave your competitors in the dust, tapping into our free traffic source that never lets us down. 2021 affiliate insider tells all how to optimize and benefit for over 2 billion active users. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. Earn over $882 a day. Dominate affiliate contests. Copy and paste system. Our fastest way to earn 6 figures online. 100% passive income. your own biz in a box, 100% newbie friendly. Start seeing results by the end of today. All this is covered by a no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee. Get badass bonuses now and get all the bonuses below. Bonus number 1, value $427.95. Access Aurora Pro, which is a program. How's that? What? Yeah, it's a. Oh, I've got this program, so I should know what it's about, you know. But yeah, but I'm forgetful, aren't I? I was just there yesterday too. Oh, it's good. This is a software, that's right, and it helps you to get traffic and stuff like that. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, bonus number 2, value $46.95. 3 ways to get traffic to your gigs. This is probably a paid traffic, probably a paid traffic hack. Bonus number 3, value $344.95. 40 HQ lead magnets to build your list. So that's gaining leads again. So it's another hack to do with traffic. Bonus number 4, value $267. Access backlinks warrior first 24 hours. Well, this is a backlinks program as well, you know. Yeah. And then bonus number 5, 197. Special bonus for take action today. Access all vendor bonuses. Yeah, click the button below now to claim your free insane bonus package before the countdown timer hits 0. Okay. And when you do, when you click on any of these buttons here, you'll be taken to the sales page where you can pick up badass bonuses, which I think is a good deal. Which I really do. For $17, it's a good deal. You know, I'll show you why I think that in a moment. Okay, and you'll get a receipt in Warrior Plus, and you will where you can access your purchase and access your affiliate bonuses underneath that button. Okay, we'll go to the sales page. Here we are at the sales page, right? Same heading. We'll go through the CSA sales page. Yeah, you can watch that in your own time because that's a bit long, so I'm not going to bother about that video. Okay, so we go through the sales page. Got the proof of income. You know, some testimonials. You know, same old thing, same thing as always. You know, pleading. You know, begging. You know, things that happen, things that go wrong. All the standard stuff. You know, you want to get results. So there's more results. You know, more proof of income and all this sort of stuff. It's all the same stuff. You know, traffic and conversions and sales. You know, yeah, all more proof, proof here, proof there, proof everywhere. You know, this is how it is, right? You get more proof. This is quite a long page as well. So there's a more proof of that, testimonials. But this is a good product. I got to admit that. You know, you'll see in a minute when I tell you, because I'm going through this. You know, right? So you get these 3 programs, which is traffic programs, right? And these come from these 3 ladies that, you know, the digital dames, yeah. So you know, I don't know how they work, but anyway, how they got all that, you know. But these women are just unreal, you know. They really are. This is the 3rd product that since I've been around anyway, that I've seen them launch, and it's it's badass. It really is badass. It really is really good. I mean, really good. See, it's got all the things here, you know. You can go through there, you know. I think it's 30-day money, get more proof. You know, it's a long page, like I said, real long. But we'll get there in a minute. There you go, some more bonuses. Got your bonuses here. You know, so we'll go up. See, well, bonus 1, banking with bonuses, free traffic, bonus 2, free traffic mystery bonus, and bonus 3, how to make multiple passive income streams fast. And then you got your, get badass bonuses today and save 80%, usually $97. Today it's only $16.97, really $17, you might as well say. Yeah, you might as well say that, yeah. You know, act today, you have to act now. Yeah, well, there's always urgency, and on there you go. There's your 30-day money back guarantee. Yeah, more benefits. What you get. Yep. And then we look forward to seeing you on the inside, and your frequently asked questions. And that's the end of the sales page. So I'll leave you to look at that on your own, and we'll go to the badass bonus members area. Now, like I said, this is really good. This is a really good deal. Look. I mean, you got welcome to the badass bonuses, right? You got an introduction overview from the digital dames. You got change your life forever. How to turn the heat up on your campaign. The best way to deliver your bonuses to your customers, you see. And then, I mean, here's the ladies here. Once again, it's a long video, so I'm not going to be playing that. Paul, full-blown 2021 MMO badass courses. So yeah, see, so there you go. You see, you got badass bonuses. Turn the heat up on your campaigns, you see, which is true. You know, I mean, you add camp bonuses, you stand to make money, right? I mean, this is really, I think it's really good, you know. And here we have them here. We use YouTube Velocity, Profit Force, Mave. Well, Mave is one of their products. Xena, Zenobia, Cleopatra is one of theirs. Golden Slash, TweetX, that's from Jono. Affiliate marketing from all social media sites with linking with Linktree. Forget show broke. Forget about broke. I tell you, yeah, right. Nova, lazy traffic sniper, list, Laurent, aerial assassin, Midas touch, traffic booster, four methods to make money with Instagram, even if they don't have an Instagram account. Affiliate takeoff, the super shakedown, profit scope, octagon, elevate, accelerate, add maxi, the evergreen system, gold mine seeker, YouTube bucks, hello Newman. And then the next one, mini MMO badass tutorials. I would like to know what MMO means. That would have been nice to know that. Yeah, but anyway, I guess you can figure that out, because I don't know what that means. You know, so there you go. That's how lame I am. I don't give a rat's ass. I really don't care. You know. So it's MMO. I know, maybe it's marketing. Oh, I don't know what it is. I don't know. Anyway, this is all the bonuses you get in that one, and then there's badass traffic bonuses. So you go. You got you got your traffic bonuses. You can go through this on your own. You got your badass affiliate training bonuses. You know, there's so much value here, man. It's unreal. For $17, what a no-brainer. Badass monetization bonuses. Man, these women over-deliver. They really over-deliver. Man, fast action badass bonuses. Right, there you go, there's some more. And then you got your want to upgrade your badass, you know, and badass courses upgrades. You see, I mean for $17, I mean, man, you know, just yeah, it's just yeah. But of course, you've got the other, you know, when you go through the pages, it's going to be, you know, the upsells and all that. So it's probably going to cost you a bit more than that if you take the upsells, which there are some really good. But this is a lot of stuff. I mean, man, for the amount that for the front end, I mean, for $17, I mean, you know, it's a lot of stuff. Yeah, it really is. Yeah. So we'll go back to the bonuses again. Bonus page here. So I'll go about through to the bonus page, Jono's bonus page, insane bonus page. Bonus number 1 is what you'll get is Aurora Pro. This is like I said, a program and a traffic hack. And then you got 3 ways to get traffic. This is paid traffic, I should think. And then you got the bonus 40 HQ lead magnets to build your list. This will be for social media. So yeah, bonus 4. Backlinks, accesses backlinks warrior, first 24 hours only. And then you get special bonus, all vendor bonuses, you know, access all vendor bonuses. And you do that, get that when you click on here to secure your copy of badass bonuses and your bonuses, see. And you will go to the Warrior Plus account and you will get your access, your purchase, and below that will be the button for that. Okay, so, and that will happen when the link for that will be in the description of this video. Under the description of this video, and you click on that link and you'll be brought to this page. You'll be brought to the bonus page where you can click on any one of the links, will take you to the sales page where you can purchase badass bonuses, which is, I think, is a really good deal. Really good deal. Help you with your marketing if you're a marketer. It's a brilliant deal. Anyway, thank you for going through that and sticking to it with the end. Thank you for going through my review with me, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you and goodbye.